nostalgic, a sentimental longing for the past. Listening to the old song made him feel nostalgic about his childhood. Petrify, to make someone feel extremely frightened. The sudden roar of thunder could petrify even the bravest person. Serenade, a musical performance typically done to express romantic feelings. He decided to serenade her under the balcony. Pensive, deep in thought, often with a hint of sadness. She looked pensive as she gazed out of the window. Amiable, friendly and pleasant. Her amiable personality made her easy to approach. Jubilant, extremely joyful. The team was jubilant after winning the championship. Luminous, emitting bright light. The moon was luminous in the night sky. Zealous, showing great enthusiasm or devotion. She was zealous about protecting the environment. Mellifluous, sweet-sounding, pleasant to hear. Her mellifluous voice captivated the audience. Exquisite, extremely beautiful or delicate. The artwork was an exquisite masterpiece. Candid, honest and straightforward. She gave a candid response to the tough question. Pristine, in its original condition and spoiled. The beach was pristine, untouched by human activity. Harbinger, a sign or indication of something to come. The dark clouds were a harbinger of an approaching storm. Enigmatic, mysterious and difficult to understand. The old book contained enigmatic symbols that puzzled scholars. Vivid, bright, and distinct in color. The sunset painted the sky in vivid shades of orange and pink. Mirth, amusement or happiness. The comedy show filled the room with laughter and mirth. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.